Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to underline or stride through your text of your PDF file on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on your home icon down below, so go to your home page and select the PDF file. Now you should click on this pencil or pen icon in the right side corner down below and click on comment. The underline and stride through options are the second and third options down below. So if you want to stride through your text, tap on the second button and then you should select your text. You should use it as a highlighter like this, and if you want to underline your text you should tap on the third button and select that part that you want to underline using your finger as a highlighter, and it's indicated by this blue color. You can also change the color of your stride through and underline by this button down below, which is the last option. So now it is set to green, but if you click on it you will be able to select from all these other colors. As you can see, it has been changed now, so you can also select from the shade of it. Now it's lighter, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.